As you can probably see, it's brown out. And there is a storm out there. There's an actual storm.
Inaray. Yan na. Ha?
But it's the end of the you know, it's the end of the what do you know, of the drought and something, and this is what we are experiencing. It started like almost last afternoon, so see you guys and bye.